Surveillance, inspection, farming, power grids, drones can do it all. But buying and managing drones is complicated. That's where Drone as a Service comes in. With Zenitech, you pay only when you need it. Our drones fly autonomous missions, delivering insights in agriculture, logistics, oil and gas, environmental monitoring, and more. The Zena Drone 1000 scans buildings and towers with 3D visuals. The IQ Nano maneuvers indoors or outdoors where humans can't. Field scanning uses LiDAR and GPS to create topography maps. Multispectral imaging reveals plant health, pest outbreaks, and water quality long before the eye can see. Drone as a Service is not ownership, it's access. Fast, flexible, and built for the future.